guys, my name is Arun Kumar and I'm back with another video. Today I'm just going to unbox this new gadget, which is a smart wallet from Smart Lab. Now why it's a smart wallet? Because this model comes with the anti-loss device function. So what is the anti-loss device function? Once I will do the unboxing, I will tell you. So we'll just start the video. I will just open the box. This is the main thing, which is a smart wallet. That's another thing, which is a manual, which is a very important thing, and it comes in English or in a Chinese language. First, you just need to download the application in your smartphone. The application is available on a Play Store and on Apple Store also. So I will just tell you what this device can do, so you don't need to read this instructions. This is the main thing. The wallet is a leather material, which is good. Looks like a normal wallet, but this is a smart wallet, so I will tell you, you can see the LED indicator here. Here it's a power button which you need to turn on to use the device. Here they fix the anti-loss device. It comes with a micro USB connector here, so you have to charge this device. About the battery timing, you have to charge this device around 15 minutes and it can easily work like a 1 to 2 days, and 15 days is a standby timing. You just need to charge like a 15 minutes only. So first you just need to download the application in your smartphone, which I already downloaded, which is a BSEC. This is the application name. Once you will just turn on the application, you just need to connect this device. You have to press for a while, like 2 to 3 seconds. Once you will see the indicator, press the search button. So as you guys can see, this wallet is right now connected with the application. At the same time, you can see the indicator of the battery of this device. Right now it's fully 100% charged. Now what is the anti-loss device function can do? For example, if you forget your wallet somewhere, if it's connected with this application, this smartphone will start ringing at the same time your wallet also. But for example, if you are in a range of this device and you want to find your wallet, if you forget your wallet inside somewhere, you're in your bag or in your house or in your room and you are unable to find, you just need to press this button. This device will start ringing. And now, for example, right now it's connected with each other. For example, if it's disconnected from each other, what will happen? For example, I'm just taking the wallet with me from like a 10-meter distance, and then you will see what will happen. So you guys saw, I just took this device almost like a 10-meter distance, and once it will disconnect it from the Bluetooth connectivity, this device will start ringing, and this wallet also. Same thing works as a vice versa. If you have this wallet inside your pocket and you forget your smartphone, these things will happen. So this device is good. For example, if you are traveling, you can easily carry this kind of wallets. It's not about the stealing every time, but sometimes we just forget our wallets on the cash counter or in airport. So this is a useful device. Now we will just review the applications. What other functions we can see here. First is a photography. You can use this as a shutter button also to take the selfies. Location, for example, if you forget your wallet, you can easily track the last location. Here you can just press the GPS. You will see this is the location where you saw your wallet last time. Another thing, device alert, do not disturb. If you want to set the timing, if you are sleeping and you don't want any kind of disturbance of the sound, you can use this one. Then at the same time, app password, map switch, they are using two different kinds of maps, so I just select the Google map in this one. Double click setting, alarm or voice recording. If you want to start the voice recording only from this wallet, you just need to press the twice and set this voice recording. Automatically the smartphone will start recording your voice. And record list version and introduction. So this was the application review. The price of this wallet is only like a 55 dirhams. I just saw few months back on a Kickstarter this kind of device, but that device is also comes with the wireless charging facility, anti-loss device with the wireless charging, but I found only this wallet with the anti-loss device function. So if you guys like this video, let me know in the comment section, and if you want to buy this kind of wallet, I will just put the link inside the description so you can buy from there. And the price is only like a 55 to 60 dirhams, but depend on the different websites from where you are buying. I just got this one from the local market, so it cost me like a 60 dirhams only. So if you guys like this video, let me know in the comment section, and if you want to share with your friends, you can share, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel. I will be back with another video soon. Thank you.